Main purpose is to break China, and to root in corrupt Chinese elements in the Chinese Communist Party. Ukraine is a tool to break Russia into further pieces. But it is not the all-time success for imperialism. This time China played its game tactfully. China developed rail track routes and also by roads via Iran to Chinese soil for oil transport and other stuff. The US is so worried by it. That is why the US and Israel targeted this railway line which connects Iran via to China. Same thing could be done by CPAC in Pakistan, but former could not accomplish same under the US pressure. Pakistan can also use land for gas and oil transport from Iran to Pakistan. But world is changing. Now yuan is taking place of dollar. In coming future, many countries will come out of clutches of the Western pressure. Same could be true for Pakistan, if Iran continues to establish its power and China as well as Russia continue to stand against the Western imperialism. As President Trump had said that he didn't care of international laws, then it proves anxiety and losing temper and patience of imperialism. It will definitely, openly and raw-handedly attack on other countries like attacking Venezuela, and arresting its president, like brutally attacking on Iran. They will do more, but hopefully, this time China, Russia, and Iran will make in responding steel wall.